Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log in to your Binance crypto account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar, type in binance.us and click on enter. After that, you will be directed to official homepage of Binance Crypto. Now at the top right corner of your screen, you can see login link. Click on it. Now a login page will appear where you need to type in your valid email address which is associated with your Binance account. Now type in your password. After that, click on login button to log into your Binance crypto account. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on forget password link and follow the instructions to recover it. You can also click on this I button to ensure that you have typed your password correctly. So that is how you can log into your Binance crypto account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.